Okay, hold it down, your tail down, wrap it around 3 fingers. You got an X. Now you got 2 here. 1, 2. Underneath, pull it through, and then on that one right here, lift it up and pull it through. Then you're left with the ring with the tops right here. Make sure that's on the back. Do whatever you're going to do. And then you just stick it in the ring. It's hard doing this on this camera. And then just crochet as usual. And hold that as you're doing it. And as you're going along, you're going to find that this string here is getting shorter. Just keep pulling that a little bit until you're all done. If you have any questions, just hit me up. All right? Thank you.